Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Currently, Roblox is not officially available on the Nintendo Switch console. This means you won't find a dedicated Roblox application in the Nintendo eShop, and you cannot directly download or install the game onto your device. Many players wonder about this, and it's a common question. You might be asking why Roblox isn't on the Switch. The Roblox Corporation has not yet developed or released a version specifically for Nintendo's console. This could be due to various reasons, including technical differences in how the platforms operate, or perhaps considerations related to Nintendo's specific platform policies for third-party games. It's a decision made by the developers. It's important to understand that there are no official workarounds or unofficial methods endorsed by either Roblox or Nintendo to play the game on your Switch. Any attempts to modify your console to run unsupported software can lead to serious risks. These include potentially voiding your device's warranty or even causing irreversible damage to your Nintendo Switch system. We strongly advise against such actions. While you can't play Roblox on the Nintendo Switch, you can enjoy the game on many other popular platforms. It's readily available on personal computers, Mac devices, Xbox consoles, PlayStation systems, and most mobile phones and tablets. These platforms provide the complete Roblox experience. As for the future, official support for the Nintendo Switch remains an open question, with no current announcements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.